Hey there, it's Michael Hilkemeyer. First up, I want to say a big thank you for subscribing to my blog post for all this time. I feel really privileged and proud that I have been able to provide you with continual professional development and support. And it really means so much to me. And I don't take this for granted at all. Today, I'm reaching out to you as a loyal subscriber to offer you the opportunity to become a founding member of my ICT in Education Teacher Academy. You may already have seen me mention it a couple of times in my email, and that currently I'm offering a 7-day free trial. This offer will be expiring at the beginning of October this year, as I have seen several people demonstrating that they don't value what's inside the membership by just joining briefly to have a look inside for no reason at all. But that's the difference between you and them. As I have seen time and time again, as a subscriber of my blogs, how much you do value what I'm sharing with you. And this is why I want to offer you the opportunity to become a founding member of the Academy with a locked-in founding membership fee. But let me explain to you more about what the Academy is all about, why I decided to create the Academy. The reason is not really to learn from me in my own online workshops or resources, but for you to become part of an exclusive professional learning community that integrates technology in early childhood education and care. I have always believed that the best way for educators to understand and to learn how to successfully integrate ICT in early childhood learning activities and play is through people like yourself sharing your own knowledge, experience, and expertise. And this is what being a member of the Academy is all about. Sure, it's, you have the opportunity to go and explore and to complete and use the resources in there. But it's for people of all levels of expertise and knowledge. So if you have no knowledge of using technology in early childhood education, this is for you. If you have no technology in your early childhood center, this is for you. If you have just one digital device, this is for you. If you have many digital devices, this is for you. And if you are already knowledgeable about integrating technology in early childhood education, then this is for you. Because this exclusive community is there for you to communicate, share, and learn with other people what you do know and what you don't know about integrating technology in early childhood education and care. So how do you become a member of the community then? Well, you become a member of the community when you join one of my online early childhood education workshops as a member of the Academy. And that's it. You become a member of when you become a member of the Academy, you are automatically enrolled in all resources. But that does not mean that you have to complete them all. That's your choice as a member. Once you have joined the one workshop of your choice, you will automatically become a member of the early childhood education community that is exclusive only to members. And then all you have to do is to pop in every now and again and start the conversation with who is in there at the time. And then again, if you want to, you have the option of, as I said before, going back and completing the workshop that you have joined. If you want to boost your CPD hours for the year with a certificate of completion. And certificate of completions are only given, obtained through the workshops themselves, not through any webinars or webinar replays, or when you look at or look through and use the resources like lesson plans, for example. But you know what? Here's my added bonus for you as a member of the Academy. I'm currently in the process of completing a certificate in training and assessment that will allow me to provide a coaching service in the future. For those of you who aren't in Australia, this gives me the opportunity of becoming a registered training organization, an RTO, and coaching towards a nationally accredited certificate course in technology integration in early childhood education. And while I cannot say too much about it yet, I can tell you that as an exclusive bonus, added bonus for members of the Academy, I will be offering you a huge discount to enroll in the coaching course sometime next year. So, I'm very excited about that, providing the opportunity to my members. So, there you have it. For myself, I would much rather have the community, the exclusive community, buzzing with conversations and discussions from members about technology integration in early childhood education and care. I would much rather have that than people actually completing my own online PD workshops. But please, anyway, do take the time in having a look through them. Listen, this project is still in motion, but as founding members, we get to work together at the ground level to create something amazing. And I do believe that it will become an amazing experience of conversations and discussions, people sharing their ideas and knowledge, expertise, experience about technology integration. But then also, going back and going through the resources too, if they want to, as an option. So thank you for listening to me once again. And if you want to become a founding member of the Academy, just click the button below. Your founding membership fee will be $5.99 Australian per month. And that is locked in, absolutely locked in for the life of your membership. So I hope you can join us.